Hi there. I'm Haley Glenn. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Most of you will probably be new here because this is only like my second, third video. Anyways, welcome. Like I said, my name's Haley Glenn. I don't really know what I'm doing here, but nevertheless, I am here. Also, I don't know what my hair is doing. We can please just ignore that. It just decided to be curly, even though it's naturally straight. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Can we all just like, Corona? What? I know, everywhere is hearing Corona. But we have to be honest with ourselves. We're all online shopping. I am just trying to find an excuse. So we've got my number one excuse, retail, therapy, you know. Number two, I don't have to pay bills, so I mean, I can afford to shop a little, right? And number three, I am trying to do a try-on video for my YouTube channel and get this thing popping because why not? Isn't everybody starting YouTube and TikTok during Corona and online shopping, right? Those are the three things that everybody is doing. I hope so. I hope it's not just me. But I have a bunch of places, H&M, Old Navy, Gap, just a bunch of different places that these are all from. But I thought I might as well try it on because why not? They're cute, they're new, show them off. So I hope that you enjoy it. And if you do like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hopefully I'll be getting more content like this out. Let me know if you like it or if you'd like to see something else. You know, recipes, more in that genre, or the fashion or makeup, hair. You know, I like to play with it also. Let me know. Let's get right into the try on. First outfit. These pants are from Shein or Shein. However you pronounce this word, I'm probably gonna pronounce it wrong the entire video, and I apologize if it's just gonna drive you crazy. Please correct me. But this cardigan is also from Shein. These are both stretchy materials. It's very interesting. Like, I did not think that this cardigan was going to be such a stretchy material, but it is. It also kind of has pockets. It kind of, when I first saw it, I'm not gonna lie, it gave me like lab coat vibes, and I was like, oh my gosh, great. But the pockets with it being like a swoop, I don't know, I like it, and the way it comes in, it's very like, I don't know, it gives me very, okay, yeah, it gives me grandma vibes, okay, but that's my style, so sorry, deal with it. I love it. It's like kind of classy, keeping it all put together. Yeah, but I like it. These pants are kind of like an interesting material. I don't know quite how to describe it. Maybe if I come close, I can kind of show you. You can kind of see it. It's just like an interesting material. I don't know, but I really like it. Super cute. Fits really pretty good. I mean, it's a little bit loose, but like, it's pretty awesome for like pants that like aren't gonna have belt, and it doesn't have belt loops or anything. It does fit pretty good. Yeah, it's a stretchier material, so I feel like it would fit pretty good any body type, you know? I don't know, maybe not, but I really, really like this outfit. So it's outfit number 2. I already had to put my hair up because I can't stand it. I don't know, I just can't. But this super, super cute scrunchie is part of our try on haul. Cheetah one. I love it. It has this little gold part. I'm just in love with. It's happening. Okay, it's happening. We're already there to that point. I can't stand the hair. I am so in love with this shirt. I have a hard time with the poofy sleeves, but I'm getting more into it. And I feel like I can do this because it does lay down flat if I put a cardigan over it, which is so great because I'm in Utah and you have to be able to do that. That's a necessity. Also, it's just kind of got this little see-through. I don't know. I just love it. It's very feminine. I love the color. It's like the second I tried it on, I'm like, girl. Like, I don't know. It goes well with my complexion, which is not very often for pinky tone. Love it though. But let me show you. It comes down like that. It has a little swoop, so it's cute. You can just do a little tuck in, which is what I usually do. I've worn it with just black ripped jeans, and so then it's just like all fun and cute, flirty and innocent, and a little more rougher jeans. I don't know, I really liked it, but I feel like this is such a fun shirt. I don't know, I'm obsessed with it. Alrighty, so these jeans are from H&M. I love them. I don't know if you can see. It's like not, it kind of goes like this, but the ankle is so in love. Just came just like this. They're high rise. It fits really good. I mean, it doesn't fit me here, but no jean does. But they're so cute. I love these. I've had them for a minute and my favorite jeans right now. Then this belt is from Shein. It came with another belt, snake skin. I'll show that in a second. Then this top is from Rue 21. It is super neon green, which I did not expect, but the sleeves are really cute, so I'm happy with it. And then this fun thing, it kind of, it's pretty long, doesn't have any pockets. It's kind of like an angel a little bit. Has those A-line sleeves, but it's from Shein, and I love this too. I think this will be really just like a fun go-to grab and go cardigan. Love that too. This top is from Old Navy. I love it. It's just, it feels good. It's loose. It's light. The print is so on. Like, it's hit or miss. Cheetah online shopping. Literally, this print is so on. This belt, I'm obsessed with too. It's from H&M. Let me come show you up close. It feels really nice, but it does, like, it's a snap-in. Just so you're aware, like, it just kind of slides. You know, behind these loops. Oh, I did that wrong. Slides behind that loop and just snaps in. So that's something to be aware of. But anyways, super, super cute. Love it. We're gonna do a little print mix and match moment for this one. I've got this shirt on. I want to show this skirt. So comfy, so cute. It's a little see-through, so you gotta be aware of that. But I'm obsessed. 100% recommend. It goes down a tiny bit farther in the back. It's just cute. It fits right perfect at the waist. It's meant to be right here. So cute. It has just a little bow. So fun. It would make so cute for a little swim top, a swim bottom cover. I'm just so in love with it. So obsessed. So highly recommend that. And that is from Shein as well. We just went real casual. These biker shorts are from Rue 21, 0% recommend. I've been wearing them for a couple of days. Actually, I wore them like 2 days, and they already got a rip. So I might have to cut this part out. I might have to cut this part out. Hopefully you can't see it. I won't be wearing them, but I highly recommend getting biker shorts like these. Just higher quality. Not Rue 21. Apparently that's not a good option, although they are very soft and comfortable. Anyways, moving on to this hoodie sweatshirt, not hoodie, no hood. Sweatshirt is from Gap. I can't stop wearing it. That's all I'm gonna say. I can't stop wearing it. Okay, I can't stop wearing it. I'm in love. It's got this little cinch, so it kind of just comes out like that. I love it. I love this sweater. It's from Gap. I got it so on sale. Hopefully you can too. It is the most amazing favorite sweater of all time. It just gives you the perfect little figure, you know, with the little the way it lays and everything is perfect. And this cheetah, I'm so here for it. I'm here for this mixture. That's where I'm gonna end it because why continue? This last hoodie, or not hoodie, I keep saying that it's a hoodie. It's not a hoodie. I know it's not a hoodie. It is a sweatshirt, no hood. I'm in love with this. This is like the first top that I got, and I was like, so online shopping is where it's at. It's from H&M. I just love it. It's just like baggy, but it's like crop. So I don't know. I'm obsessed. That's all I can tell you really, is that I am obsessed. It just fits so good. I love it so much. Well, congrats. You made it to the end of the video. My hair's back down. Anyways, I hope that you liked this video, and I hope that you like it for real, like the little thumbs up like. And you subscribe to my channel to see more. Let me know what you thought of this video, and if you go and get anything, I'll have it all linked in the description below, so check that out and leave a comment if you do get it, how I can improve. Always let me know what you want to see as well, and thank you for being here.